Hey guys, hey YouTube friends. This is a review video about my first gun. The main frame on this gun is not a real gun, it's my first. If I check this gun, my first gun, I can say this is really good. If my first gun, I will not say, I'm not allowed to say the brand name on this gun, my first gun. I can say this, guys, you can buy it in a grocery store in an appliance section. You see the main, my first gun. When we turn on this, you can see it vibrates. We have a display here. This is 15, I don't know what it is, but this is levels on what kind. This is a speed speedometer for your massage settings. If you push this button, it's also on and off switch. You can turn up your levels, what kind of hard, soft massage, like this. It goes to 9 is the highest setting, like this. And this is the battery level, you see here. And with this, my first gun, you have a light that pulsates every time you use it. It feels great, not heavy. Here's the analysis I said earlier. You push this, 5 seconds, it's off. Let's go to the accessories from this gun, my first gun. This ball, my first adapter for my first gun, can use on your shoulder, right here, on your leg, on the thigh, calf, and maybe also on the arm, like this. The next is this. This is a apply. This is your if you have a bad neck, a sore neck, you can use this on the leg right here. See? And you can also do it on the spine. Right there. It's a spine massage thing. This one is for your nuts. You can use it on your knuckle, like this. You can also use this on your neck, and also on the spine, like this. It came in a case, but I cannot show it because the brand is on that. They are not sponsoring this video. You can so far to see the video, like, share, subscribe. This massage can also come with a charge cable. This port goes to the main gun here, like this, and this is a USB-C. USB-C. You can charge this with a regular phone adapter that you have on your iPhone, smartphone. Maybe you can charge that on your computer, maybe on your router. Whatever you know about this gun, I got this on the price. What was it? €49.99. If you are an athlete, you can use it, or you can also use it as a private person. If you want to have a therapy, work on a license, massage, you can also use it. And guys, friends, YouTubers, that's it about the adapter. Adapter to the gun, the main gun and the charger. It does not become an adapter for the cable, but you can use any USB-C adapter. And so on. And guys, I want to say this to you guys. See you on YouTube, and thanks for watching.